Hello everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going on to XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So unfortunately yesterday we did have an invalidation of my theory that this is a beautiful impulsive wave 1, an expanded flat correction wave 2, and right now we're looking at explosive third wave. So that's all been invalidated right now. So at the minute I'm just sitting on my hands waiting to see what XRP does next. Now because we've lost this low here, I have to protect the downside unfortunately, because what we've got is a God candle backtest just there for XRP. Okay, so on the way up here in I think it was January, we created this beautiful bullish impulse, the flag pattern coming back. Look at that overlapping zigzag waves, and I remember trading this really well. But on the break here, what we did do, we created a God candle just there on the daily time frame, and we've not come back to it. So I think that this is what the correction is looking for right now, you know, and the fact that we've lost this key low just here. Let me get that knob on for you. That key low from January of this year, the fact that we've lost that right now in this piercing here, in this wick, basically that's the red line I think that we're looking for as a minimal target in the correction. Now why am I projecting down right now and not up? Because simply we've lost structure here, we've lost this low and we've lost this low. So right now I have to project to the downside, because what we're doing, we're creating lower highs, and right now we're actually creating a lower low. So until we start to reverse here, create some kind of bullish divergence and things like that on the daily, I still think we're caught in the correction, and I think it's a deep correction coming back down to this scenario here where we created this 5-wave impulse. 1, 2, 3, flat 4, 5. So ever since this point here, we've actually been in some kind of weird correction. I did actually think, and I hold my hands up, we had the A, the B, the C, and we was done at that point, and it was a flat wave 2 correction. So obviously I would love to be wrong, I would love to look at some kind of bear trap and things like that, but again it's structure. From this point here, you know, we've lost the wave 1 impulse. So again, really simple technical analysis. I was looking at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the flat expanded wave 2, and then boom, continuation. So unless this starts to reveal us some, you know, bear trap by XRP getting its ass back up and taking that pivot point here, I've got to project to the downside. So again, I would look for more structure. I'll keep you updated as best I can, but I think what we're looking for right now is a possibility that this has been an impulsive wave 1, and this is a simple ABC zigzag that's coming down like this. This was the A wave, this was the B wave, and this is the 1, the 2, the big 3, which has lost this support and this support, which is typically what we see in a third wave of a C wave. There's your 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, before we do start to turn around here. And this is a 1, this is an ABC zigzag 2, and then this is a monster third wave which come in. That's the only bullish thing I see going forward for XRP. Okay, so at the minute, you know, the fact that we've lost this kilo yesterday, I was completely wrong about this being some kind of correction ABC wave 2 back down to it before continuation. I'm really sorry about that, but again, like I said to you, I've not got a crystal ball. But there is a narrative that's being thrown around at the moment that this big flush down, this big push down that we've gone through for XRP and the entire crypto market is because of fear mongering with the World War III scenario, Iran and Israel and things like that. But again, just because of that, you know, the technicals here, the fact that we've lost this low, I'm just respecting the data. This is a bearish statement in the short term for XRP. The fact that we've lost this structure of a potential wave 1, right now we're coming back like this, I still have to project to the downside, because what I've not seen in this move down is 5 waves basically. So 1, 2, 3, looking for a 4, and a final 5th wave down. So this could potentially, you know, complete the C wave right there of an A, a B and a C. Absolutely possible, but typically what we do see in C waves is a 1, a 2, a big 3, which is what I think we're in, a 4 and a 5. So in that case we would have a lot further to go in the C wave, okay, and it could get even more nastier across the crypto market. So I'll keep you updated as best I can, but what we're doing simply from this high after 5 waves up is retracing for the continuation of the trend. So 1, 2, 3, ABC flat 4, 5 in bullish impulse as a potential scenario. So all of this drawing back down to the 1 fib is simply a correction, a macro correction. Okay, so we can drop the fibs on and we can look and see exactly where, you know, we can sort of guesstimate where we're going to go to. So typically what we do see with XRP and wave 2 corrections, quite deep wave 2 corrections in the crypto markets, is a 786 fib being tested. Okay, so again, this would be a 1, 2, ABC flat 4, 5. So right now this is the A wave, this is the B wave, and this is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 and a 5 of the final C wave basically. So this is what we're looking at. I think we're looking at a minimal target of 0.3831 for XRP. It could actually run a bit deeper, absolutely possible. So the invalidation right now is really simple, getting your ass back above this key pivot point that we put in way back there in March of this year. Take that out, then boom, that was some kind of bear trap right now, and that's simple technical analysis. I hope you understand that, and I'm really sorry about getting this beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expanded flat impulse corrective wave wrong from this point point here. So unless this starts to turn around and does something like this and comes back up, and this is some kind of bear trap, then, you know, at the minute the simple technical analysis is projecting to the downside. Really simple, okay? And all we're doing is impulsive, and this is all corrective, coming back down to the fibs to where we came from, which is the 1 fib in January of 2023 before continuation of the trend. So I wish everyone the most luck. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.